Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. I'll start by incorporating Elmer's glue with my paint. Talking about paints, in my website, I have added a link in there for the products I use and art supplies. My website is acrylicartpaintings.com. So if you go there and click on the products I use, wait for a few minutes or a few seconds, and you will see the products are used section over there, and you can also see there 65% off in art supplies. Then I will add a little bit of Floral, so it's glue and Floral as medium, and until we get the right consistency. Now I'm going to use the Spot On Silicone, and this is very good for acrylic pouring art, acrylic pouring painting, and the creation of cells. Now, as you know, every single thing that we add can alter the end result. So it can give, and that's the beauty of fluid art, is that anything we use can give us a different look. Now I am pouring my colors using the white in between. Now I'm going to get a lot of green because yellow and blue will also give me green, but I do like this color combination. How about you? If you do, click that like button in the bottom of the video, and let me know if you like this color combo. Now I'm going to start with the pouring process with the tree ring or swirl technique, but at the end I'm going to start changing the direction of the paint, as you can see, to create a different design. Now I'm going to use the paint that is already flowing down my canvas to wet my 8x10 canvas and help the paint slide better. So instead of using different paint as a base, I'm just going to use the paint that is already falling to help out the tilting process of my pour. And this is a technique, a tip that I saw in a video with Michaela Art Studio, and I really liked it. So, as I said, I do like this color combination. You can see the rays of yellow in there, but also the blue that I was hoping to get, and of course the design in the middle from the change of direction when I was pouring my paint. So now I will continue to work on this, and I'll show you how it looks already dried. And in the meantime, if you haven't hit that like button, you can go ahead and do that. It will help out a lot, and I will invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. As I always do, I show you the dry painting, and here it is with those beautiful cells. And I absolutely love that white in there. It almost gives it a 3D look to it, and that beautiful blue. So I hope this helps, guys. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.